Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be a bit different than what you guys usually see and what you guys are used to seeing. So today we are going to be reacting to dirt bike crashes and fails and just stuff like that. I'm going to try and make this into a series, so let me know by the end of the video if you guys enjoyed this video, if you want more of it, and yeah, it really helped me out and to see if you guys actually enjoy this, and so I should keep making these videos for you guys. Oh.
I thought he was going to eat it actually.
After no. Oh.
What happened?
Broken arm? Oh, that sucks.
Well,
that really
like
sucks.
I can't swear on these videos, but
Yeah, you wouldn't be crying? Dude, he broke his arm.
Come on, man.
His arm's like snapped in half.
He just wants those ladies all over him, but yet he's got a dude in his face. That's what he feels like a real single day. Dude on the Honda.
Someone.
No, guy up front and then the guy on the Honda. Yeah, it's the guy.
Oh, it's the guy now.
Yeah, I had this right the first time. He's going a long way.
Can't you just ride it normally? Down the road? Not risk it? Oh
Yeah,
no!
Yeah,
oh!
You play stupid games and win stupid prizes.
Right into the bushes you
that's
go.
What you get.
Where's this guy going?
Where is he? Vietnam?
What the hell?
Oh, what?
What?
Whoopsie.
Whoops. Oh no.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, dude. You gotta
Oh,
jeez.
jeez.
Where you're going.
Oh man.
Might be
Oh,
lines
he's
on
out.
the-
He's out.
There's not lines on the road, but
Oh.
look.
Jesus.
I blame the dude
That's-
on the left.
Oh,
he
yeah.
was like trying to merge, but he did not look.
He's just like, let's just not look. It's okay. That could have been worse. That could have been worse.
If you play follow me,
Yeah. Oh jeez, these are never good. Stun in case I'm. Yeah, there you go. Slide out. There we go. Oh! I caught it. Grass and going fast on grass is never good. I'm trying to
He
brake.
didn't get screwed that bad.
What the hell? He did like a Superman
Almost
like
his, yeah.
knack thing. He's like my trick, dude.
Okay. I thought he was gonna spin out.
I thought he was gonna go flying down the hill. Straight to your face.
What?
How do you do that, dude? Just ride up the hill. It's not that hard. It doesn't even look like a hill. I mean, it does, but it looks pretty easy.
Yes.
Those ones are the best. The makeshift shift ramps in the backyard with a big guy riding a little 85. Those are the best videos because you know he's just gonna boing right over the.
You know that ramp's not built.
Oh yeah, no. Yeah, almost had it. Oh jeez.
Oh, come on. Say goodbye.
Oh, at least the hill wasn't that big, so it just
Yeah.
doesn't tumble all the way down. Another wheelie on the road. It's gonna. Yep. Very predictable.
Oh, my bad.
Guy's like, oh, I thought he was gonna keep driving.
He's probably gonna get out of the yellow.
Oh my. Okay,
Oh,
that's.
okay.
Oh jeez.
Yeah, dump it in the snow.
Dump it into the grass. Yeah, that's all right. Just catch everything on fire.
You're lucky it was winter.
You're lucky. God, you're ripping. Oh, jeez, right over. Oh my god, that sucks. That's the I've been over the bars plenty of times. It sucks.
Oh, he's landing on his back. No? Come on. I thought he was gonna...
Oh, he's a goon. He just looks like a typical goon. Oh, there it is.
He's a goon.
Just
How do you spot your
how do you spot your typical goon riders? T-shirts. Just T-shirts. That's a good way to spot them.
Yeah, but this guy was trying to go to the right, and then he's like, no, you know what, I'm gonna go to the left of him. It was like completely last minute.
You're so pissed.
He's pissed, but he hit it.
He's gonna get the weeble wobbles for sure. Yep, there it is. There. Oh, oh, you're done. Just stop. Just lay it over. You're done.
Oh.
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 Oh my God. Just, I don't understand people. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, man.
Oh, he's lucky. He's so lucky.
If his friend didn't stop.
He would have got clobbered by that car, dude.
Oh, man. That's funny. Dude, you gotta lean back.
Looks like the same hill. He made it up. What? Dude, maybe what the gas wasn't turned on, it just shut off.
Oh.
Oh my God,
I feel
those
bad
are
for
so
people
bad,
like
dude.
You had. Oh.
Hey, at least you're insane though. It's still gonna hurt, but at least you're insane. Oh
It's
my
a Larry
God.
Emphasizer jump. A little more speed, you would have had it.
Yeah, I think he skipped one with this front tire.
Hey.
Yeah, probably a bit more speed.
Just figured out why I crashed. Didn't do the start as good. About to show ya. I didn't lube me chain.
That's why he crashed.
Wait, he didn't lube his chain.
He didn't lube his chain.
Yeah, that. Okay.
What the hell? He did a complete front flip. He probably could have landed that if the jump was a bit bigger. He probably could have.
You gotta use your back brake in situations like that. Unless any of these people do wheelies, just don't have back brakes.
Yeah, it seems like all these guys that do wheelies do not have back brakes. So, learn your lesson, kids. Make sure you have back brakes before you do a wheelie. Like that guy.
Yeah, it's still attached. Kickstand still works, dude. You're fine.
Oh man, my dad's gonna kill me.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry. You didn't crash that hard to mess anything. What are you doing? You didn't crash that hard. Alright guys, so that would be the end of this video. So if you guys enjoyed it, give us some feedback on whether you liked it or not. So we can make some more videos on this, because I actually like making these videos and reacting to crashes and all that funny stuff. And I'm sure you guys do too.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
There you go.
Pretty basic.
There you go. He's got it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. And also turn on those notifications, so whenever we upload a video, you would get notified right away, so you can watch it right when it comes out. So with all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.